Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to unlock the Springday Blueberry Black Tea recipe in Heartopia. So in the latest updates of Heartopia, there is a new event that called Dreamlight Cinematic event, and at this event you can cook any foods and drinks. One of them is Springday Blueberry Black Tea like this. And then to unlock the recipe or cook this drink, just go to the popcorn serving card and then just choose the Springday fruit black tea like this, and then just replace the fruit ingredients to blueberry like this, and then next just step on start cooking, and then just cook this drink. And if it's failed to unlock, just repeat this step until you can unlock the recipe. And okay, like this, you will successfully unlock the Springday Blueberry Black Tea recipe like this, and it will add it to your food recipe list like this. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.